Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have been gone for a while, but that is because I had some editing issues. But now I am back and I am bringing you guys my first tutorial for the year. And this is a look that I posted on my Instagram, and I just decided, hey, why not do it on YouTube? So I am starting off with priming my lids with the NYX concealer. And I'm using one of my favorite palettes currently at the moment, which is the Blushing Berries palette from Dose Colors. And I am taking this light shade called Berry Chic, and I'm just using that to start off the crease. So the next color I'll be taking is the color Roseberry, and I'm focusing this color on the crease, but I am also blending it outward. And by the way, this is a halo eye, so that's why I am taking this next color called Berry Pop, and I'm just going to be focusing that color on the outer lid and the inner corner of the lid. And I'm just going to be blending that into the crease and just really creating more depth with that color. And then I'm also just leaving the empty space in the middle of my lid. Now I'll be taking the glitter glue from NYX, and I'll just be placing that on the center of the lid, making sure not to spread it out too much, just placing it in that specific area. And I'll also be taking the J-Cat glitter in the shade Iris Indigo, and this glitter is amazing. Like, it's so pretty. It has like this really pretty greenish blue reflex to it. It has just so many colors to this one glitter. And I remember getting so many compliments about it when I wore it for Christmas. And I also got some requests to do this once I posted it on Instagram and Snapchat. And so now I am taking my Double Up lashes from Mardell in the style 207. And now I am just smoking out the lower lash line. And I used two colors for that. I used the Roseberry shade and the Berry Pop shade to just smoke out the lower lash line. I make sure to take that Berry Pop color and smoke it out and make sure it connects with the eyeshadow that wings out. Now I'm taking the Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm taking the color Gumdrop, and I'm using that as the inner corner highlight. Again, this color is so pretty. It's that really pretty duochrome pink color. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial. I will be back with my videos, and I will be posting more constantly from now on. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.